Hello everyone, this is AJ. Today or tonight, I would like to create a currency converter in Python. Um, so this is my assignment, and there are many ways to create a currency converter in Python, but I chose a very simple way to create this in Python. So let's start creating this simple program, and simply I start by creating by printing a welcoming statement to the user. So print, see, welcome to fun currency converter. Also, I need to take an amount from my user, so I need to take an input. So, but I want to take this input inside a function, and I want to take that inside a while loop. So for that, I create my function. Sorry, div like take the amount from the I simply call it get USD amount. Mm, so I wanna create a while loop, so I need to assign USD amount to 0, 0.0 because right now it's 0 and it's gonna be a floating number, so that's why I choose. Should be a bit nice good, so like this. And right now I'm gonna write my while loop here. I can make this as condition, or simply I can make a true as condition to run my while. Apple Card is the credit card created by Apple. So you earn 3% while true. So here I wanna write a try and accept block, because if the user enters the amount which is less than 0 or 0, there should be an exception throw and tell to the user that is and that you cannot enter 0 or less than 0. There should be a positive number or a positive. And so I say try what? Try this block of code. Is the amount that I take from the user. So I'm gonna need an input. No, so yeah, I'm gonna take a floating number, and inside that I'm gonna take input, and I'm gonna say the user enter the amount in US dollar to convert to other sorry, to other 5 currencies. Okay. So um, and in this one, this variable gonna take an input. So I'm gonna write an if block. If USD amount is lower or equal to 0, print this one. Print invalid amount. Please enter a positive number. And shift tab, we go back to our block, and we now try or accept. And in here, the kind of the type of the error that when the user enters a negative number, gonna be a value error. So I see here it is value error. And when it's value error, so print invalid input, please enter a valid number again. So yeah, so this is the function, and this is the welcoming statement. So this doesn't run right now, this function, because whenever we write a function, we should call it to run. If I run, it doesn't run. But when I call this here, it will run. So simply, I'm gonna write its name, get USD amount, and yes. If I run right now, oh, get USD amount. So it should run right now. Run. Let me try this. Yes. So we called it. So far the code is fine, and we continue. So we needed to take an input from the user, but we also need those 5 currency with their exchange rate. And I'm gonna define them inside a dictionary, which is 2 values items. So I already got that from the internet. I just copied it here. Yes, I'm gonna copy that here. Yeah. And I simply called it already conversion rates: British pound, euro, Japanese yen, South African, in this. So yeah, I have my conversion rate here, and that's good. So let's continue with our code. So here, I want to create another print statement, and it is for the table. Print. If I enter a backslash, and if I in this one and gives actually gives a second line, or transfer the code to the second line, and I say get ready for a wild currency converter. And after that, I want to print this one as well. It's like, it should be like, look like a table. Yeah. So this part of code is a bit important, and I'm gonna use a for loop and for this also dictionary, and for this the rates, and also this one, they all should be printed inside that table. So I call it for. So I have currency and rate. I simply say for currency, currency and rate. Why currency and rate? Because we have 2 items in the dictionary. When we want to add rate over them or go through over them, it will be through a for loop. So it has 2 options. So we're gonna, this is dictionary, key and value. This is key, and this is its value. Also currency comes for the key, and rate is its value. So we're gonna create 2 variables here. So for a currency rate, in what? in the dictionary, what was the name of the dictionary? Oh, come on. Yeah, conversion rates. So I just simply copy that here and paste it here. So for currency A and rate and conversion rates dot items, why items? Because as I said, we have key and values. So for that, this one is necessary to come in the in. And it will print currency and rates, and also what should it do? I should um, create another variable and call it like a um, converted amount equal to what? The U is the amount that I take from user here, and multiply by what? Multiply multiply by, of course, its rate. And which rate? This rate here. We already gave that for loop, so the for loop already knows what rate are we talking about. Rate. So this is inside the for loop, and print also. Print. I'm gonna use if formatting here because here is very necessary. If you have you have how much? So I'm gonna print this and converted amount. It should be printed here. You have this much. If I can add like here a formatting sequence, but it's not that necessary. And what? The amount of this amount will be in numbers, and also there should be their currency as well. So in currency, which is this one, just simply currency, and here I can enter this. And so yeah, print you have converted amount. So and this for I think it will work very well. So let's go and run this program. Let me try this. Okay. I want to see it clearly. So welcome to Currency Converter. Enter the amount in USD to convert to other 5 currencies. So let's run. Let's see that our program works. So I enter $1,000, and it should be changed to other 5 currencies. Oh my god. What's wrong? Okay. If USD. Oh, that's USD. We have several. Mhm. This USD amount USD amount. Okay, let's run this. The amount used to reference Francis. What? What's wrong with this code? I think I made a mistake here. I should set the condition to use the dollar. Yeah, because why it doesn't go? Oh, for the God's sake, go up. This is not good. Okay, so if I just use the amount, instead of this row, if I put it here, and if it should be or to 0, so it should work. I think so. Like if I want 1000, what happened? Oh, again. Converted amount, USD amount, wait, USD amount. Yeah, USD. Converted amount, USD amount, wait. Name USD is not defined. USD is not defined. What do you mean? It is defined.